Australia's location is important for the world's export, and its international trade is also very important. Since Australia has a large territory with vast, uninhabitable areas, all towns are scattered around. This leads to huge expenses for transportation when using trains and ferries. The government also have to pay large amounts for its telecommunications to build up the connection between these regions. The Australian people are mainly living in 5 cities: Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, Brisbane and Adelaide. The most special one is Perth, which is one of the most isolated cities in the world. However, this does not affect its state to be one of the largest cities in Australia. Most large companies, like the 2 leading companies, Telstra and Qantas, they are both based in Perth.